Hello po, I'm Nabiel Arceo from BSECE 3D and we will be doing the MATLAB exercise number 6 which is entitled Multiple Block Diagram Reduction. So the objective of this exercise is to reduce multiple block diagram using MATLAB. So this is our guide for this laboratory. Ito naman po yung codes natin for this exercise. Yan. So problem 1, so tatlong method yan. Method 1 is solution via series, parallel, and feedback commands. Method 2, solution via algebraic operations. And yung method 3, solution via append and connect commands. Tapos, ito yung codes natin sa problem number 2. Ito po yung results or output ng ating ginawang codes. Yung G of S natin is 50s minus 100 all over s cubed plus s squared plus 150s minus 100. Method 2, method 3, then yung answer natin for the problem number 2, ito, yan, 15, 0.4, 0.1442, 25.3827, 0.2285, and 0.6667. So, ito yung figure 1 natin sa output natin. Ito naman yung figure 2 natin sa output natin. Ayan po. In conclusion, this MATLAB exercise on multiple block diagram reduction provided a hands-on opportunity to apply reduction techniques efficiently. Through this exercise, we gain valuable insights into simplifying complex systems, enhancing our understanding of signal flow and control in engineering applications. By leveraging MATLAB's computational power, we were able to streamline the process and obtain optimized diagrams, facilitating easier analysis and implementation in real-world scenarios. That would be all. Thank you po.